What's up, my peoples? It's Wednesday. I hope everyone is awesome. Thank you for checking this video out. I have no real direction today. I'm not sure where to go. But I felt like it's time to get some message in a channeling way from our source, our creator, whoever wants to come through here. I haven't channeled for a while, but I've asked, what about? Can I channel what's going on politically or what we need to know astrologically? And nothing really pops out at me. So I decided just to lay here in the grass at my break and let her roll. So come in, tell me where to go. Life is a gift. We were given a gift to breathe. We were given a gift to exist. Our existence is only what we put our mind into it. Dysfunction creates a bad existence. When we feel lost and confused, we don't know what the right words are. So the best route for anyone is to seek advice of others that you trust and hold dear. For you never know what wise words can come from another soul that you are connecting with. Only go with those who you intuitively trust and resonate with. That is your own intuition speaking to you in a loving and guided way. Seeking out random people, you should see the signs of yes or no with confusion of electronics or your own internal senses within your heart and soul. For those you may think you resonate with, you will be seen and shown that it may have been a misguided truth to find your own resonance within your own soul. Life is full of tests. So when you seek out advice, when you seek out clarity, you will find tests, just as in life with your own path you decide to take. Marriage, divorce, children, no children, college, no college. All these choices resonate with your soul experience, and you're pushed to go where you want to go. That is your own intuition, building on your own soul evolution. And so those unfortunate souls that may have health issues, it's all created within your mind and existence. Those negativities that come through on a daily basis can build up and create that negative force within your soul. When you're happier, And in a like-minded situation, you vibrate higher and create your own healing atmosphere within your own soul. It is possible to do your own healing. Those are the times, though, when you need to seek medical advice, is when you've broken that path of no return, albeit with cancer, disease, or otherwise. But these are all soul retrieval moments. It's when you need to recognize those moments, when you're being shown these signs of, maybe I shouldn't be doing this, maybe I shouldn't be eating this, maybe I should be exercising a little more. These are the resonances you need to find within yourself and find your own balance. Now, there are many people that you can seek out, such as Reiki healers, energy healers, that can bring you back in balance quicker. These certain souls who you resonate with can use their energetic beings through their guides and angels to transfer energy and remove and take it on to bring your chakra balance to where it needs to be. This may take many sessions. But by the art of thought and those gifted ones, given that healing abilities, is one powerful spiritual tool. There aren't many that can assist you in this way. It is best to have in-person contact by the use of hand vibrations or touch over certain areas. They can release pain, they can release soul negativity and soul darkness that you are unforeseen, that you don't even know about. Energy healing is a powerful tool in our universe, and it's highly recommended to seek out those that you resonate with. Beware of fraudulent claims, because some are not resting in the God loves true energy. Use your own discernment. That is one very powerful tool to help those who have experienced mild trauma in their life in with the injury. But there comes a point when it's beyond repair, and that's when we need to seek medical advice. Now, pharmaceutical has its purpose. It was given to us through ancient techniques, ancient masters that have given the knowledge through others, through expansion and technology. But not all pharmaceutical is meant to be in our body. It's a foreign cancer to our body. depending on the circumstances of what we need done. Now, one of the greatest tools is vaccines. Vaccines are a very important tool in society because of natural born and created born illnesses from nefarious actors and negative entities within this world. Not everything is natural born. There are dark entities and nefarious actors in this world that do want to create chaos, and the best remedy is for this technology given to us by the pharmaceutical industry. Stresses in our lives of worry and discernment should only be used in extreme cases. Use our own energy and love, and through plant-based healing, like vitamins and herbs, are nature's way of healing and giving higher power to ourselves. Such as like lab created or mineral based is harder on our bodies to digest and absorb nature's goodness. As in, like the chemicals that are needed in the water to reduce hardness, or the excess minerals in water are harmful to our body. They stick to our digestive system and cause buildup and weight gain. We need to filter out these chemicals and minerals for a purer body, for better functioning. The function of our body is meant to be clear and pure. Excess chemicals bring us down and lower our energy vibration. Now, we are free and clear to eat whatever we want, but we must use our own guided knowledge by researching what is good and what is bad for us. Lighter diets will help our energy vibrations, and eating more times during the day will bring us more energy and balance within our own bodies. That will help balance everything in life. As such, for getting plenty of rest. Our body needs to rest and rejuvenate for the next day, and it also is an excellent time for healing. Always ask your guides, your loved ones, and angels to do your healing while you sleep. All you have to do is ask, and they will be there for you as needed. Now, healing does take time. It can take years, it can take months. Whatever you need to do, you always just ask your guides for healing during your night's sleep, because you can be soul healing and traveling to greater dimensions that can help gain information and healing transference through the spirit realm while you sleep. Guidance from above is always there. All you need to do is ask. Our lives are meant to be challenging yet fruitful. Always take that precious step of enjoying nature, enjoying family, enjoying people, because that is our connection we need to make in life. Since we are all connected into one matrix of cells and vibrations and thought, all of this is possible. Resonating in a group or being with like-minded people raises our vibrations and brings more love into our soul, and being happy within ourselves and not creating a different reality of who we really aren't. Accepting people for who they are is the best thing to do. And if they do not resonate with you, push them aside and send them on their way with love and light. They do not need to be in your realm, for they will just bring your vibration down and reduce healing and love in your life. If we live a long life, we have cycles. Everything is a cycle. A moon is a cycle. A life path is a cycle. Things will tend to repeat themselves throughout your life, and you'll be challenged whether you need to adjust your own grid within yourself for your own happiness. People coming into your life all the time for challenges and love and completion of soul cycles that you agreed upon long ago in your spirit realm after you have passed. There are always more people coming into your life, because that is the connection that brings life together. Not everyone is meant to be here with you for your whole life, because learning lessons are the whole part of our life existence. Such as if you would live in a utopia society and everyone is happy and love is full, eventually there will become boredom to the point of driving people crazy. Variety is the spice of life, and if you're not learning, you're not living. The spirits and angels and your loved ones in the heavens realm are only looking out for your best interest and send love and light constantly to you to see yourself as a whole person, a light person, and to see that love is abundance. Love, forgiveness, and endurance in the continual fight of life. Enjoy those others around you that give you peace, comfort, and love, because that's what they're there for. Peace, love, and harmony is the best way to rotate in that circle of life. Not everyone has the same belief system because we've all had many experiences in our lives, whether it be parents, grandparents, siblings, or otherwise. That is the whole spectacle of society. You may live in your own little realm of town, city, village, in your circle of friends and people. But remember, there is billions of people on this planet and many more outside this planet that have a similar cohesiveness and centrality to our soul's retrieval in our life, and we can tap into all these other people that aren't even connected to you. You can feel joy and excitement just from pictures or videos of other people's happiness, but don't be obsessed with those. Just take the love and excitement you see from these types of genre. Obsessing over one thing is not a good thing either, such as watching other people's lives. An obsession with such as TikTok or Snapchat and enveloping yourself in someone else's life. Just take that little snippet from that joy, whether it be animals, gardening, hug, kiss, into your own life and take it in. And wish that for yourself and or do it. Give a random hug. Or a smile to your loved ones on a daily basis. Actions and words bring wholeness to people that you meet in your life. It's all about raising your vibrations and staying in that love light sphere. I hope this was informative and love light to all of you. We appreciate your time and we want you to be your best self. Love yourself from within and don't compare yourself to others, because you are you. And don't change that. Just learn and grow. Blessings. Hope that was fun. Love y'all. Ciao.